Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the simple past tense. We use it to talk about actions that already happened, maybe yesterday, last week, or even long ago. Let's understand when we use it with clear examples. Watch till the end. When do we use simple past tense? To talk about completed actions in the past. Means we use the simple past when something happened and finished in the past. Examples: I visited my grandmother yesterday. She cooked dinner last night. They watched a movie on Sunday. He cleaned his room in the morning. We finished the project last week. Next, to describe past habits or routines means it's also used for habits we had earlier but don't have now. Examples: I walked to school every day. She drank milk every morning. We played football after class. He always helped his father in the garden. They watched cartoon on weekends. Next, to tell a story or describe a sequence of events means when telling a story or events step by step, we use the simple past. Examples: I woke up, got ready, and went to work. She opened the door, saw the gift, and smiled. He picked up the phone, dialed the number, and waited. We packed our bags, left the house, and caught the train. The dog barked, ran to the gate, and jumped over. Next, to talk about historical events. We use past tense to talk about history and past inventions. Examples: India got independence in 1947. Newton discovered gravity. The Titanic sank in 1912. Rani Lakshmibai fought bravely in the battle. The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Next, to describe someone's life or achievements. We use it to talk about people's past lives or careers. Examples: Dr. Kalam worked as a scientist at ISRO. My uncle lived in Dubai for 10 years. She studied in Oxford University. They built a successful business. My grandmother taught in a school for 30 years. Next, to describe feelings or situations in the past. We use it to express how someone felt or how something was. Examples: I was very tired after the trip. She felt happy when she got the prize. It was very cold last night. They were excited about the journey. He was sad when his friend left. Next, in reported speech. When reporting what someone said earlier, we change it to past tense. Examples: She said she loved chocolate. He told me he was busy. They said they went to the zoo. My mother said I looked tired. He said he didn't understand the question. Let me tell you a short story to help you understand the simple past tense. One day, Raju went to school happily. He packed his bag, wore his uniform, and walked to school. During class, he opened his pencil box and noticed that his favorite pencil was missing. He searched his bag, looked under the bench, and even asked his friend, but he couldn't find it. After school, he came home sadly. His mother asked, Why are you sad? He told her everything. Then his little sister smiled and said, I used your pencil for my drawing yesterday and I kept it in my box. Raju laughed and thanked her. He learned to always check at home before worrying. Verbs used in simple past tense from the story: went, packed, wore, walked, opened, noticed, searched, looked, asked, came, told, used, kept, laughed, thanked, learned. See, all the actions in the story already happened in the past. So we used the simple past tense. So finally, the simple past tense is used for actions that are already finished. We use it to talk about daily events from the past, stories, histories, habits, feelings, and what people said. Most verbs add ed, like played, worked, called. Some are irregular, like go, went, eat, ate, write, wrote. Just remember simple past, finished action. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood the simple past tense clearly. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy grammar lessons.